Hello and welcome to the lecture series on railways, harbour, tunneling and airport for the subject code 18CV645, Module 4 Session 5, Socioeconomic Characteristics of the catchment area. So in this session we are going to discuss about the socioeconomic characteristics for the catchment area. So this is going to be comprises of four phases. One is with respect to assessment of a traffic potential. So as I said it in master planning, first we need to assess the traffic potential of that area. So next is going to be the population, next is the economic characteristics and travel characteristics. So these four are said to be the socio-economic characteristics for the catchment area or study area has been concerned. Moving on to the first one, that is the assessment of traffic potential. So how we are going to assess the traffic with respect to its potential? So usually for any type of a proposed airport, it is going to be assessed in terms of the passengers and cargo. So these two are going to be a crucial element for establishing the need of an airport. This is going to be assessment is always going to be the first step of a traffic potential to determine the catchment area and to have a proposal and with respect to the national network of an airport has been concerned. So after demarcation of an imaginary or influence area, socio-economic characteristics of the population is going to be studied. Say for example, if you are going to be having a study area here, or if it is going to be having some more adjacent area, so this demarcation is going to be said to be an imaginary, and we need to study the zone A and zone B for the characteristics with respect to their population and its trends. So next is a population. So as I said it, so it is going to be an inbuilt component with respect to socio-economic characteristics has been concerned. First one is a total population. So total population, that is the existing population, needs to be concerned. What could be the rate of growth over a decade has been concerned, that is R in terms of percentage. So when we are going to be measured in terms of every year how the population's trend, or every 5 years back the population trend is been growing, then we need to estimate the future population from the existing trend. So this is with respect to the population parameter has been concerned. Next parameter is going to be the economic characteristic. So usually the economic characteristics is going to be a pattern of employment, it is going to be provided. So this pattern of employment is based on the industry, the size of a industry, type of a business, then it may be from the government or a private or other sectors as going to be concerned. So apart from that one, the income group, it may be a family and its a composition. So high income group, medium income group, etc. So average per capita income is going to be taken for the analysis for each of the income group. Next is going to be the probable pattern of expenditure or proportion of expenditure for the different types is going to be concerned for particular type of a travel. So these are going to be the four economic type of characteristics it is going to be used for the analysis. Moving on to the next type, it is called as a travel characteristic. So travel characteristics involves the how the mode choice it is being made by the person and how frequent with respect to air travel he is going to be making. So these characteristics are going to be utilized with respect to the socio-economic characteristics. Just I am going to give the highlight. First is the assessment of traffic potential, next is the population, next is going to be the economic characteristic, and next one is going to be the travel characteristics. So these four are going to be taken in consideration for the any type of catchment area with respect to socio-economic characteristics has been concerned. So to prepare this session, we had used this following a textbook as a reference along with a web reference. Thank you.